Hi guys, good afternoon and happy Independence Day to all. Today this video will be going to be specifically on how to change the door handle. Actually this is a car Alto K10. I will just show you what is wrong with the handle. See, it's not opening, so it's been broken. As you can clearly see from down, it's broken. So I just got a new handle. Just show you. It's painted. Actually, it comes with a black. So I've just been got it painted with silver color, and I'll just replace it with this one. To replace with the new door handle, we need to start with disassembling the door trim. To remove the door trim, first we have to remove this plastic cover, this door knob, this door handle. To start with this, we have to undo this screw and undo this door knob. The handle. Before this, we have to get the window on top and close it. Next comes the door knob. Then we have to remove this panel. Just pops up. There is one more screw which is just inside this grab handle of the door trim. Now after this, you can just remove anyway. So there are not so good. You can just pop. Just firmly you have to remove. Otherwise, if those poppers get damaged, then replace with the new one. One door trim removed. As you can see, these are the poppers which I was talking about. These poppers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. And there should be actually 8 over there. But while removing it, just got stuck over here. So we have to remove this and place it back on the tree. Get the excess with the door handle inside. It is hold on with this nut. So to get it inside it, you have to just slowly remove this plastic in the door panel. Carefully remove because it is sticky. See. From a distance you can there is a handle assembly latch. We have to undo it first. Undo it later also, but it's better to undo it first. Sorry for the disturbance. My dog is just as you all can. Then from outside I'll just show you. It will easily come out. As you can see, this is a one broken door handle. I'm changing it because you can see here. Yeah, see. This is the new door handle, so I'm going to place it. First, because it's hidden, then later you cannot play it.
Like a bird on a tree.
Take the door handle.
I'm just sitting here.
Yes. Now,
I got time.
same process of
From up here,
getting it back.
the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Because I have a ratchet, I'm using a ratchet 10 number socket, or you can use a open end spanner or T spanner, how it's comfortable. And don't forget to just
Sometimes you need to go,
attach the door handle
take a step
Yeah.
back
to the end.
to see the truth around you. From a
It's done.
distance
So
you can
before putting everything back, let's just see if it works.
You and me
Yeah.
meant to be
Assembling the process the same as the undo. Very easy also. Done. Now take the door panel. I think you'll remember this pop-up I was talking about. I just removed and placed it again. Okay. Now place lift it. Tap it. Now just press it. You can just hear the pop-up sound. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Last pop-up done. Now this one ready now. Place it back. Yes. Oh. If you feel like it does not, the lever does not go inside it, just use a little amount of grease, apply on the locks like this,
we can sit
so that the lever slides in easily. Why it gets so difficult?
meant to be
Or else if it does not work in that case,
outdoors,
take a plier,
forever free.
yes, just press it, it works. Yes. Now you can undo the screw which was removed from you. It's done. Last thing is just pop this panel off. Same as we had removed it.
Take a step
Retainers. Yes, it's done. It's
see
working.
the truth.
Last but not the least, just screwing.
Distance you can take.
I'll just show you how it's been done. Just close the door. Just see if it operates. Yes.
You and me
Yes. The last time.
meant to be
Yes. So we have successfully replaced with the new door handle.
forever free.
Yeah. Yes. Done.
Meant to be
So guys,